Horizontal directional drilling, or HDD, is a versatile trenchless technology we've been mastering since we first performed it in 1988. HDD uses powerful customized rigs to place utility lines substantially deeper than conventional trench construction, providing significant cover for crossings under waterways, existing utilities, and underground structures. Our fleet includes many sizes of rigs, including our largest, with drilling thrusts and pulling power up to 1.8 million pounds. In the hands of our skilled operators, these machines are capable of placing pipe up to 60 inches in diameter to distances of more than 15,000 feet. Since the early 2000s, we've been at the forefront of pilot hole intersects, an HDD method that allows us to essentially double the potential length by drilling from each side of a project and meeting at a pre-designated point near the middle. Here's how HDD works. Design engineers plot the drill path, taking into account the dimensions of the crossing, projected soil conditions, and any existing utilities or structures. The first step is to bore a pilot hole. We measure the orientation and location of the drill bit using a magnetic guidance system. Magnetic and gravitational sensors read the direction angle and velocity of the bit along 3 axes. This information is fed back to monitoring equipment in the control trailer, allowing our operators to precisely steer the drill stem and plot its path as more sections of drill pipe are added. After the pilot hole is bored, the next step is to attach hole-enlarging reamers to the drill string. The rotating reamers are pulled or pushed through to enlarge the hole sufficiently for smooth pullback of the pipe. After reaming is complete, we prepare the utility line and couple it to a lead reamer and swivel. The line is then carefully pulled back to the rig side. The travel and position of the pipe string is closely monitored. All rigs are flexible enough to be set up on virtually any type of terrain, even at the most remote locations. Here's a typical setup. An HDD job site is made up of 2 separate work areas, one at each end of the crossing. The rig side is where the majority of our equipment is placed. The pipe side is where the pipe string is assembled and eventually pulled through to the rig side. Large staging areas are ideal for HDD to minimize the number of pipe sections and the need to stop for welding during pullback operations. In addition to our land-borne HDD experience, we have also completed many marine crossings, both land to water and water to water.